this is an interesting question, and I thought, let me create a video and see what the answer is. The question is this: what happens on your version history in a Google Doc if you delete all the content in the doc, but you save the doc? Let's go do it and see. So here's a document I got called French Story, which is available offline. And I got this story. So I'm going to select all this content. I'm going to hit Control A, select it all, and I'm going to delete it. Then I'm going to close it down. It's got all this sample stuff it wants me to use. I'm going to close it down. There's my doc. I'm going to hit refresh. And where is it? French Story. Where'd it go? There it is right here. French Story. Sitting right there. It's 1 kilobyte. I'm going to open that up. It's a blank document. Let's go look at the history. File, version history, see version history. On April 22nd, that would be today, this is what it looked like. But on May 2nd, this is what it looked like. So this is the new one. It's all blank. And this is the one beforehand that had all the text. Now I can hit restore this version. Yes, restore. And it's back. Bottom line, as long as the document exists in Google Docs, the version history will show you what it looks like today, everything deleted, and what it looked like yesterday or the previous open where all the text was there. Pretty straightforward.